Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer. I'm here in Labadee, Haiti, and today I want to take you on the Dragon's Tail coaster with me. Let's go ahead and check it out. So it wants us to go to Adrenaline Beach to get on the coaster. Now the Dragon's Tail coaster here in Labadee is located at Adrenaline Beach. Check-in is off to the right. Drivers need to be at least 12 years old and 54 inches tall. Passengers must be at least 5 years old and 38 inches tall. And the max weight is 375 pounds or 330 pounds in wet weather. We'll head up the ramp here to the coaster, where you'll find a quick little safety video to brief you on how to use the cart. Push forward on the bars to go and pull back to brake.
If you let go, you're going to come this stuff. Let's on the lever, pull the way down. Okay, let's go now.
So how was the Dragon's Tail coaster?
Okay, I thought it was super exciting. It was fun. It felt great. There's like, you know, breeze when you're going that fast, and you get a great view of the area, and it goes pretty quick. I thought it was exciting.
Yeah, there's breaks if you need them. I tried not to use them.
I could go like over and over and over again. I can see why they sell day passes, because it would be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Recommended if you're coming here. I would try it out for sure.